In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux with a credit card on PC. It's quick, simple, and secure. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com, then log in to your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, click the Robux icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Buy Robux. You'll now see several Robux packages available, each with different prices. You can choose whichever package suits you best. For example, 500 Robux for $4.99. Click on the package you want to purchase. Next, you'll be taken to the payment screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see your available payment options such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or Roblox gift card. Select credit or debit card and then fill in your card details, including your card number, name, and billing address. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click the blue Pay button to complete your purchase. After payment, you'll see a confirmation message saying, "Thank you for your purchase." If your Robux doesn't appear immediately, just refresh the page and your balance should update. And that's it. That's how to buy Robux with a credit card on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox guides and tips.